Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to add someone else's Instagram story to your Instagram story. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Before moving forward, you have to know that you can only add someone's story to your story if they have mentioned you in their story. And if they have mentioned you in their story, you'll see that notification on your DM. Now go to your DM from top right corner. And here you will see that one of my friends have mentioned me in a story. And I'm seeing an option, add to your story. Now I'll just tap on that. If you want to customize, then you can, and tap send to and then share. You can also add the story to your highlights. And that's how you can add someone else's story to your story. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.